Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Most of us rely on speakers for music, ringtones and alerts. Recently, many users have outspoken their dissatisfaction with the iPhone's built-in speaker. Some users have reported that the speaker won't play songs at all, or even if it plays, the sound is too low. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Method 1. Check the volume level. There's a possibility that your volume gets low on its own accidentally if you are using a big and bulky case. Unlock your device and check the volume button up or down to see the level. If it's low, you need to press the volume up button all the way to make your speaker as loud as possible. Method 2. Disconnect from other Bluetooth accessories. The iPhone speakers will not produce sounds if your device is connected to other Bluetooth accessories like AirPods, speaker, etc. To disconnect Bluetooth, open Settings app, tap on Bluetooth. Now toggle off or disconnect the device. Method 3. Toggle off Airplay. To do this, open Control Center, tap on Airplay icon. Ensure the check mark is on the iPhone and not on other connected devices. To completely turn off the Airplay, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Airplay and hand off, toggle off Transfer to HomePod, click on Automatically Airplay to TVS, select Never or Ask as per preferences. Method 4. Inspect the sound settings. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on Sounds and Haptics, toggle off or on the change with buttons. Method 5. Force reboot your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Method 6. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings app, tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, select Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset all settings to confirm the process. Method 7. Update your iPhone. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Method 8. Visit Apple Tech Support. If the method mentioned above doesn't work for your device, your speaker may be intentionally damaged. For that, you may need to change the speaker. It would be better to get it repaired from official Apple Tech Support. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.